Good morning. Good morning. This is day 2 of my daily vlog. So today I'm going to prepare my lunch. Get ready with me as I'm getting ready for work. Welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogtober day 2. Today's video is a little mix of everything. I'm taking you with me as I'm getting ready for work. Share a quick breakfast which I didn't finally finish. What I wore, a little shopping trip, and how I ended my day at home with family. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm running late this morning, but let's get ready together. Here I'm trying to prepare some spaghetti with tuna, but I didn't manage to record the video from the beginning to end, and I also didn't manage to record the final product. But that's what I took for lunch. So in this recipe I use macaroni. This is how I made it, and I went on to prepare the tuna with some onion and beef stock, added some salt, then I sauteed all the ingredients together with the macaroni, added some mayonnaise, and the recipe was good to go. I really did enjoy it, but I failed to record the clips of it. Simply because I was running late, cooking and also preparing myself, which I also didn't manage to record. This is the second day of the vlog challenge. I'm trying so hard to keep up with the pace. Next time I'll try to wake up early and do things on time, So I didn't manage to record my face care, which hope I will in my next vlogs. But this is what I wore to work. You see, I tried looking presentable and formal at the same time. But this is what I've been wearing to work. Simple but cute. I love the outfit that are both comfortable and presentable. After work, I decided to work for a little shopping. So let's get ready to go to the mall and pick some food gadgets. As you can see, I'm doing voiceover. It's in the morning. I'm outside. The beds are all over. Good morning. So first stop was Mr. Price, and I found some really nice exercise wears. I've been wanting to refresh my workout wardrobe, so this was the perfect outlook wardrobe that I found. Then I went to Clicks and grabbed a few hair products that I've been eyeing. Can't wait to show you guys how they work later when I try them out. To living I'm back home now, and here's a quick try on of the exercise clothes. Honestly, I love how they fit. Super comfy and affordable. And for the hair product, let's give them a quick test and review in the next video. I think this will definitely be part of my routine because wow. I need to get rid of this fat. Guys, I'm big and I need to work on this. This is not good. So now we're going to help mom cook the beans outside. The beans, not the bees. It's always such a nice bonding moment. Plus, the smell of beans cooking just felt like home. It feels like home. Bana won't see hakaka. You see, get the beans. We cook the beans outside. Time for dinner now, so I'm going to make the kids the dinner just the way they like it. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Vlogtober is just getting started and I can't wait to share more moments with you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. See you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.